So over here on the left hand side, you can see my two pin tasks right here. One is for video production and one is the animation, which I pinned when creating this particular plan itself. If you want to go ahead and unpin them so that you don't have like quick access to them, then you can click on the three dot button and simply unpin them out right here. So you may have a particular plan that you want to have quick access to because you frequently need to access it, then you can go ahead and pin them out. So if I were to go around over here onto my plans right here, then you can go to any plan that you want to pin and simply click on the pin plan button right here. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and open up a particular plan right here, and then around over here you can go ahead and click pin from over here, just like this as well. And if you want to unpin them, then simply go to more option right here and unpin it out. And that is how you can pin and unpin out plans inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe